now since we have created our project, AEM project, we will see how we can use that AEM project using Eclipse. Okay. Uh, Basically, to use your Eclipse along with AEM, you need an AEM plugin. So what we will be going to do is to install that AEM plugin. For this training purpose, I have set up a fresh Eclipse instance. So let's go and set up our Eclipse with AEM. Okay, I mean AEM plugin. Okay, either you can go here. Oops, sorry. AEM plugin is available under eclipse.adobe.com/aem/devtools, and then you can click on add. You can choose it and say next. Click next. Just make sure we have added everything. Next, accept and finish. Let it install. Just one note that you have to be in an open network for these downloads to happen properly. So make sure you are not behind any firewall network. So for at least this training, please be on an open network. So if you get an warning like this, go ahead and accept it. It's a secured plugin, we know that. So once that is installed, it might ask for a restart. So say yes. Here Eclipse restarts. Let's go to Windows, Perspective, Open Perspective, Other, and you can see AEM. Okay. You can click on AEM. So it will bring you a server console, a JCR console. Okay. So now your Eclipse is set up for working with your AEM project. Now what we will be doing is, we have already created a project. So we will import that project into our server and add it to your servers. Okay, so let us go ahead, import Maven, existing Maven project, browse. Okay, to the location where your project is available, say OK and then finish. So this will install or import all your project into your Eclipse. Okay, project is imported properly. Let us go, click on no servers available. To add your new server, click on Adobe Experience Manager, click next, import all your apps. Content is optional, but if you want, you can add it. Just finish it. So this will sync with your AEM. Okay, so let's finish. So now you have your AEM server where your core UI apps and your content is synced. Okay, this is stopped. You can actually right click and start the server. Okay, so when you see a message like this, that means you have a local host which is mentioned wrong. So what you have to do is double click on this. You will see your port number mentioned here. Change that to 4502. Debug port, you can mention whatever port your AEM is running, will run when it is running in debug mode. Okay, so let's say it's 080. Okay, and you can just save it. You can again run it. So now your AEM is starting and should be synchronizing. Okay, it started. Fine. This means your AEM is successfully started in your Eclipse. Guys, a few additional notes on previous session, in which we saw how to add, project into your AEM in Eclipse. Okay, so in that session, I mentioned that the port of AEM should be 4502. No, it's not like exactly like that. Since I have my AEM running in 4502 and I want to sync my project to my current running instance, that is why I have given this port as 4502. If my AEM was 4504, I'll be giving 4504. If it is 4506, I'll be giving 4506. So once you make any changes, you will see a star symbol here, which means this file has to be saved. So you can just say Control and S, which will save this file, and you can just close it and you can restart it. So it should work fine. Since I didn't make any change, it just still I'm just restarting.